Hi friends, Richard Karn here. Now I'm known as the guy who can fix just about anything, but the technology in most appliances requires very special training to fix. My point is, even I know when I've met my match, and that's why my family has Choice Home Warranty. So we won't get stuck with high-priced repairs.
A plan from Choice Home Warranty can pay the expensive repairs on your air conditioning, water heater, dishwasher, garbage disposal, refrigerator, and over 20 more appliances and systems, no matter their age. Just call before they break down. Plus, every plan comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee.
Imagine for less than a cup of coffee a day, Choice Home Warranty can help protect you from expensive major system and appliance breakdowns that your homeowner's insurance doesn't cover. But you have to call now before it's too late.
Choice Home Warranty is the best warranty we've ever used. It would save you so much money in the long run.
Now, homeowner's insurance won't protect you when your home's major systems and appliances break down due to normal wear and tear. But Choice Home Warranty will. They can help cover repairs and replacements.
Call Choice Home Warranty today and get your first month free. We make appliance or home system breakdowns easy. Call 24/7 and our service center will dispatch one of our 25,000 repair technicians to come to your home. And if your covered appliance or system breakdown can't be repaired, Choice Home Warranty will help you replace it.
Washing machine, dryer, refrigerator, air condition. If I had any issues arise, they were able to take care of it immediately.
So, do what this old DIYer did and call Choice Home Warranty now before something breaks down.
Call Choice Home Warranty to get your first month free.